My name is Tom McCann, and I was part of the organization and structure of the great Vineland High School Crew program. It started in 2001. My daughter was a senior at Vineland High School, and I had a boat in the backyard. I was sanding it down for Holy Spirit, and she had all her friends over, all senior high school. You would know all of them: Nicole Curio, Kristen Scapelli, Donato, Lauren Miller, just a whole group of great girls that wanted to row. So I went to the athletic director and the principal, and they said, if you volunteer to do it, which I did. I did it for about 5 years as head coach. We started the girls program. So the girls program was the program that started all this. And then after a couple years, the boys program got started. And it's blossomed into what we have here today. You have scholarships from your program given out every year, and I'd like to congratulate the 3 recipients of the scholarships that will be given out on the 7th. A nice round of applause for them. And a real success story. Even the one thing that was very interesting and promising to me and invigorating was one of the recipients of the scholarship is already a coach here for next year, Sydney Morella. Real credit to you, Sydney. All the coaches will be recognized for their head coach, but none of this would be possible without the chief. I don't know how he does it here. He's running the city's fire department and doing it beautifully and a great job, but it's an outstanding tribute to him, to our city, and to our program. He volunteers all of his time for Vineland High School Crew. Chief, thank you so much.
So Doc, can you give us a little history on why we named boats?
Okay, we named boats. The history of that is that once a boat is named, it remains that name forever. It doesn't get changed. You can't change a name once it's dedicated to an individual or a family or a corporation. It's forever. And it's because, and the people that donate, the Triantos family has done this for us, and it's been a beautiful shot in the arm for our program. And Connor is here today. He's had 4 great years rowing for Vineland. But the Triantos family is on a string of families that have done what you people have done over the years. Can't thank you enough for that. The families are what structures this, and all you got to do is be here at dismissal time, and this place is loaded with cars every day because of the families of Vineland. Let's give the Triantos family a real big thank you. We appreciate all the support.
I'll give you a little history on how this went down. I don't remember exactly when last year, in 2021. They approached me and said they had an individual who needed to donate some money for his tax purposes and wanted to know who to. So Wayne, being his accountant, suggested Vineland High School Crew team. Little did I know at the time that it was your cousin, Jim Triantos, and he did it in memory of, I gotta bring this up a little bit because I don't have my glasses on, Harry Triantos, Connor's grandfather, and John Triantos, who's Connor's great uncle. It was a great asset for us to have an extra 4-man boat. This is a 4-man boat that they dedicated and contributed to. So today we're going to dedicate it. We've got a bottle of champagne over here. We're going to christen it, and that gives the boat luck and everlasting name. Like Doc said, the Triantos family name will remain on the boat forever. You want to open that up? Do the honors?
Connor might be better at it.
Don't splash me, please.
Make sure you don't put it.
I really am facing.
I don't have my glasses.
I'm gonna run. I'm just gonna run that way.
Where you going?
I'm gonna run. Watch your face, Lou. It's this big. And July. There you go. Okay, here we go. Nope. Wrong direction. Okay.
You pour it right over the name.
Over the name.
used for at least another 5, 10, maybe even longer years. Again, thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's it. All right, everybody, real quick. Oh, I'm sorry. Connor wants to say something.
Oh, yeah, Connor.
We appointed him.
So, hi everyone. Thank you all for coming out today. This contribution was donated by a family member in memory of my grandfather, Harry Triantos, and my uncle John Triantos, who were deeply involved in community service. My grandfather and my uncle, they were engaged in numerous civic organizations and took on many community roles to raise funds for nonprofits in this community. I really wish that they were here today to see this. I think they would have been proud. I want to thank the volunteers this season for helping out. You guys really made this a pretty solid season for all of us. You know, your work, it wouldn't be Vineland Crew without you. So just stick around and applause for them. I would like to thank Coach Myers, Coach Lou, Carly Farrell, Supi, Nicole, Dr. McCann, Jamel, for all your hard work, setting aside your hours and your time, being away from your families to come here and really make this program something special. So let's give them a round of applause for that. Thank you, everybody. Really appreciate it.
All right, so I hope you're all going to Chick-fil-A for our fundraiser. 4 to 8. Hope to see everybody there. Thank you very much. Thank you again to the Triantos family. All right, go ahead. They want to sing the national anthem.
Good?
Good?
Good, thank you.
Thank you, guys.